use this to treat a bleached skin, and the skin is gonna blend very well and it's not gonna darken, because some people, once they have gotten their complexion and maybe they are having anything to treat, they are always scared of them going dark. But if you are using this to treat a bleached skin, the skin is still gonna remain fair and it's gonna blend, you know. Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. It's Argan Extreme Beauty Therapy. Please, if this is your first time on this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I post a video, because in this channel there's no dulling moment. You're gonna be getting a lot of formulation, a lot of product reviews, a lot of skincare tips, you know. So it's not something that you have to let go. So kindly subscribe. Once you subscribe, just look at this corner. There's a corner here. Yeah, this corner I'm showing you. Yeah, you're gonna see a notification bell. Just click on the bell. It's not gonna cost you anything. Just click on it so you get notified anytime we have a new stuff in the channel. So today guys, I'm gonna be talking about the best whitening serum in this year 2021. We have put together 24 oils that actually work for skin whitening, clearing of pigmentation, skin brightening. It's gonna give you that yummy glow that you've been aspiring to get. Apart from you being glow, it's gonna make you white, as in white. Yeah, so this is what all these serums is all about. So let's start looking at them one after the other. My number one here is Glutathione Lemon. Now this Glutathione Lemon citron, it contains 30+ SPF. It's good for anti-aging, it's good for UV rays. So this serum is a good serum when it comes to skin whitening. It contains glutathione. It helps to treat dark knuckles, as you can see as is here. It helps to treat dark knuckles. It contains fruit acids, as we all know that any product that contains fruit acids actually work very well on the skin. So this is how it looks. Since this is not still, this is how it looks. Yeah, this is the color, this is how it looks. So this glutathione, you can add it into your face cream, you can add it into your body oil, you can add it into your lotion. It's gonna give you a nice and clear complexion. Then number two, here we have Collagen Extra White. Collagen Extra White contains fruit acid as well, which helps to lighten pigmentation, whiten the skin, cleanse all skin blemishes. It gives a whiter complexion when you know how to mix this as well. So this serum is very good. I don't joke with it, I work a lot with it. So it contains fruit acids, don't forget, it contains glutathione, it contains kojic dipalmatic. This is what this particular one contains. Then we have here Pure Indian White Serum. Now this oil does not only whiten, it helps to repair. For those that have this bleached skin, that have skin pigmentation, you can use this to treat a bleached skin, and the skin is gonna blend very well and it's not gonna darken, because some people, once they have gotten their complexion and maybe they are having anything to treat, they are always scared of them going dark. But if you are using this to treat a bleached skin, the skin is still gonna remain fair and it's gonna blend, you know. So kindly get this, and when you are getting it, make sure it's original. It contains vitamin E, it contains haha, it contains a lot. So it also contains glutathione. Yeah, glutathione, and we all know that glutathione is a strong whitening agent when it comes to skin bleaching. It helps to whiten skin. It's an alternative to hydroquinone. So this oil is very good. And we also have here Argan Oil, Argan Night Repair Oil. This is stated already that is for repair. So for those that want to repair their skin, you can get this. Let me bring it out for you guys to see how it looks. Yeah, this is how it looks. This is how it looks. Now this Argan Oil, it contains Moroccan oil, it contains Argan Oil. It's a very good oil when it comes to repair, and it's used at night, because at night that's when the skin rejuvenates once we are asleep. So you use this, it can be used on the face, it can be used on the body also. You can add it to any of your formulation, and it's going to give you the best result that you ever expected. So now we have here Glutamax. We have here Glutamax. Now this Glutamax contains glutathione, it contains collagen, it contains vitamins, it contains nicotinamide, it contains a lot, it contains bearberry. That's why you see this like this. Now if you are looking to have this white complexion, these are some of the oils that you don't need to break the bank. Okay, you can just get this and add it. Just make sure what you are adding it to contains some of these ingredients, because some people, it's not about you taking this oil, you take this and you jam this and you jam this. No, some people get it wrong when they are mixing their cream or their oil. There are some ingredients that you add and it's gonna fight themselves. So you just have to make sure that what you are using, they complement each other rather than fighting. So this is the other oil, Glutamax. Then we have another one here. This is Alpha Butene 3+. Wow, Alpha Butene 3+. We all know that Alpha Butene is very good on the skin. These serums clear dark knuckles. It clear dark feet like mad. Yeah, if you are suffering from dark feet, dark knuckles, just get this serum and it corrects the pigmentation. Any pigmentation you have, either is on your elbows, is on your knuckles, is on your knee. So just get some of these serums and you use them. You are going to see results. I'm not telling you guys to just get all this serum and you start mixing them together. No, there are some of them that complement each other. There are some of them that they don't complement you. There are some of them that you just have to use them, only them alone. You understand? There are some of these serum that they are very jealous. Okay, they just want to be there alone. So you just have to try to make your research about it, and you are good to work with it. So this is glutathione glutacogic. Yeah, this is it. This works very well. I said I took out my time to select all these oil. I like working with oil that has fruit acids, or that contains a lot of nice ingredients. Like this contains glutathione, it contains collagen, contains kojic dipalmatic, contains vitamins, contains nicotinamide, contains AHA. So this serum is very good. Okay, this is a powerful ultra brightening, ultra healing serum that helps to give that radiant look. This is it. So let me show you guys how this looks. Yeah, it's white. It looks like skin free milk, but it's not as thick as skin free milk. Okay, then we have here Santad. We have here Santad Picnic White Glutathione. Santad Picnic White. Now if you look at it, you see that most of this serum, most of them, the colors are like the same. Okay, these are something that you can substitute for each other, because most of them, they have the same ingredients. You don't just have to bring all of them together and start mixing them, and at the end of the day, instead of them to give you results, instead of them to give you good results, they start giving you issues. Okay, so this Santad, there is Santad lotion, there is the face toner, there's the one for face, there's the one for leg. This is the concentrate. This is very good. This can be added to your face cream. If you are adding this to your face cream, make sure the face cream is going to be used at night, not during the day, because this is a strong whitening concentrate. So we have a Perfect Skin Repair Whitenizer. Perfect Skin Repair and Whitenizer. This is bomb when it comes to repair, when it comes to whitening, when it comes to, like, when you want to have that whitening look, you can just get this. It contains glutathione, it contains pearl whitening powder, it contains MSM. Yeah, this contains it. So you can use this. All these serums I am showing you is something that you can get. Just make sure you are getting the original one. So this, we have here piment doors. Now in my next video, I'm gonna show you how to differentiate the original and the fake one. The original one is very thick, like this. You can see nothing is gonna come out. But if it's the other one, the other one, that one, by the time you just open it, you should see everything start pouring. So this contains fruit acids, this contains glutathione, this contains haha, it contains a lot. It whitens the skin, it clears blemishes, it's clears sunburn. When you know how to promix it with your sunburn treatment, you can even add this to your sunburn cleanser, and wow, within days your sunburn is gonna go away. So we have that. Then we have here Seppi White Strong Whitening Capsule Corrector. Seppi White, as we all know that Seppi White is one of the top skin whitening agents. So this is the concentrate. This is how it looks. It's not thick, sorry, it's not light, it's thick, but it's not as thick as this. So if I'm to open this now, it's gonna pour, but it's not as thick as this, but it's thick. So when you are getting this, just make sure what you are using. You can even add this to your, maybe your whitening serum, but mind you, all these things I said you can add to your products. Please don't add them into your sorry, don't add them into your black soap, because the pH of black soap is very high. Most of them, they will not be able to survive in such pH. So this is Seppi White Strong Whitening Serum. Then we have here glutathione injection. This is glutathione injection. This serum works for dark knuckles, it works for dark feet, it works for elbows, you understand. So what you just have to do is for you to allow this to sit on those places that you are having difficulties. Then later you can just use a mild scrub and scrub it away. So, and you are going to see it can be added, extreme whitening serum, you can add it to your facial oil that is going to be used at night. Then we have here Clear Magic Strong Whitenizer Serum with Glutathione. If you notice, since we have been talking about this serum, most of them contain glutathione. You ask yourself, what is this glutathione about? Glutathione is a strong bleaching agent. It's an alternative to hydroquinone. You can't go wrong using it. Okay, it has different grades, so you can just try grades. So like this serum now, it contains glutathione, argan oil, carrot oil, glycerin, vitamin C, egg yolk, aha, mineral oil, and fragrance. Wow, this is wow. This serum contains a lot. When it comes to, it contains both whitening and repair, because like we all know that glutathione is for whitening, argan oil is for repair, carrot oil is for whitening and repair, glycerin, vitamin C, egg yolk, haha. So it's a must-have. It's a must-have serum. We have here Action Jolie. Action Jolie. This works exactly like 72 hours. Yeah, it is 72 or 74. 74 hours. Yeah, this is how it looks. This is how it looks. So the component alone is nice. This will help to exfoliate. If you are trying to do an exfoliating oil, or maybe like an exfoliating soap, now maybe not black soap, but you know there are some soap you can do for exfoliating, you can add this because it contains lactic acid, salicylic acid, citric acid. So these are some of the exfoliating agents that you can add to your exfoliating stuff you want to make, or when you want to make your exfoliating lotion, you can add this oil to it. Your exfoliating oil, exfoliating soap, you can add this. Anything that exfoliates will actually lighten the skin. So this oil is very good. It's very good. It has not been tampered with for now. It has not been tampered with for now. So you can get this. This is how to know the original. You can see the way the cover look. There's the other one that the cover is transparent. The whole cover is transparent and it's not as thick as this. That one is very light. So if you are getting, just make sure you get the original one. And you can also get from us, because all these products I'm showing you, we have them in shelf. We have the raw materials, we have the promix items, we just have everything that's pertaining to skin, even some spa stuff, we have them. Then this is Egyptian magic oil. This oil is a good oil. This oil, okay, like it is written here, the complexion clarifying milk serum remove and fade stubborn dark marks, acne scars, sun damage, blemishes. It is a fast action milk serum that helps restore a clearer and more radiant, even skin complexion. So this argan oil It's very good. It's also SPF 15. So this can be added in drops into our face cream. We have here 1 week clean egg yolk serum. This is 1 week clean. This serum is good. It contains egg yolk. I don't really have much to say, because for me to bring this out is some of the serum that I do work with in my formulation. So, and we have here Magic Body Glowing Oil. Magic Body Glowing Oil. This is a product from Thailand. Health Body Glowing Oil is a blend of 100% natural and moisturizing oil that gives much brighter to your skin. It is a concentrated formula with glutathione and alpha-butane powders. Work gently and effectively to undefine and for a clearer complexion. So this oil is just like okay, this oil, these two oil, they work together to complement each other. This oil, apart from it whitening, it also helps to repair. It also helps to fade any pigmentation on the skin. So that's it for this. Then we have here Alpha Butane 3. This is a product of Thailand also. This is how it looks. Even this alone can be used as a facial serum. You know, this is the facial serum, and this is the serum, and this is the concentrate. Okay, it's not this. This is the concentrate, as you can see here. Alpha butane concentrate 3+, you understand? So you can just use this as your facial serum. So it helps to calm the redness on the face. It helps to make the skin glow. It helps to whiten. It helps to fade pigmentation. It helps with sunburn. So this Alpha Butane serum, I love it so much. I even still have the one I'm using. So this is Skin Doctor Ultra Whitening and Correcting Serum. This works for repair. It's whitening and it's also repair. So this is a product from Skin Doctor. Then we have here Extreme White Strong Lightening Serum with kojic acid. This one contains kojic acid, and while this one contains glutathione. You can get them together and use, because kojic acid and glutathione, they complement each other. So it's a good choice when you think of choosing a good serum for your skin. Then we have here glutathione injection, Glutathione White. So this is good, and I believe a lot of people know about this serum. It has the lotion, it has the soap. So you can get this, and you please, all these serums is not something you can use alone, except this can be used alone.